So you're thinking about moving to Torrance, California. In this video, I am going to take you on a tour of North Torrance and show you some different price points of different homes so you can see what fits within your budget. My name is Ashley Novak with Novak Schultz Real Estate Group at Compass. And if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living in Los Angeles, make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for notifications. And if you have any questions about living in Los Angeles, moving to Los Angeles, or just anything about the Los Angeles area in general, or there's a specific video that you want to see, make sure you comment below or reach out to us. All of our information is in the description below. So Torrance is a huge city, so I'm going to break these tours down into small neighborhood sections. And today we are going to tour the North Torrance neighborhood. And the North Torrance neighborhood is located between Gardena, Lawndale, North Redondo, and Central and Old Torrance. And North Torrance is designated by the zip code 90504, and it's broken down into two sections. So you have the North Torrance West neighborhood and the North Torrance East neighborhood. And Torrance as a whole has a population of 150,000, and it's the 8th largest city in Los Angeles and the 33rd largest city in the state of California. And North Torrance is primarily made up of single-family homes, although you do have some townhouse and condo communities, and you also have the two-on-a-lot similar to North Redondo Beach. And you can get a condo ranging from $550,000 for a smaller, older condo, all the way up to $1.2 million for a new construction, updated, larger townhouse. And North Torrance is a great option for people who have been priced out of neighboring beach communities like Redondo, Manhattan, and Hermosa Beach, because the median home price for a single family home in North Torrance is $970,000 as of January 2023, whereas in North Redondo Beach, which is right down the street, the median single family home price is $1.6 million. And North Torrance has a lot of the great amenities that these neighboring communities have. So you're 5 miles to the ocean, you have quick and easy access to the 110 and the 405 freeways, you're 10 to 15 minutes to LAX, you have a ton of shops and restaurants and entertainment very close by or a short drive. And the South Bay Galleria, which is located on Hawthorne Boulevard, which borders North Torrance, is undergoing its billion-dollar renovation. And there they're going to be adding a hotel, apartments, new shops and restaurants, a skate park, an outdoor theater area, and that's being dubbed the entertainment hub of the South Bay. So that will be a very welcomed upgrade for the area, and I think that'll have a very positive effect on home values for North Torrance and the other cities that are surrounding that area. And last year we saw home appreciation in Torrance at 8%. So you do see a lot of growth in this area as well. So Torrance is a great place for families. Torrance Unified School District is widely regarded as one of the top school districts in Los Angeles and California. It's ranked as the number 15 best school district in Los Angeles County, and it's top 10 for athletes, as well as being one of the most diverse high schools. Torrance Unified has 34 schools. There's 17 elementary schools, 8 middle schools, 4 high schools, an alternative and continuing education high school, and 3 adult campuses. And children in the North Torrance neighborhood go to Edison, Arlington, Lincoln, or Yukon Elementary, Casimir or Philip Magruder Middle School, and North High School. And as I mentioned, the median sales price for a single family home in North Torrance is $968,000 as of January 2023. And you can find homes ranging from $700,000 for a smaller fixer-upper, all the way up to $1.2 million for a larger, more updated home. There isn't a lot of new construction homes in the North Torrance neighborhood, but we have a 6-site development coming up. It's currently under construction, and that'll be 6 single-family homes, 2,500 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, on 6,000 square foot lots, and those will range in price from 1.5 to 1.8 million, which is a great price because you're in a good school district, good location. And if you were to go over to North Redondo Beach, 2,500 new construction home would be almost $3 million. So you do get a lot of value. So that is a little bit about Torrance. Now I'm going to take you on a little driving tour of North Torrance West and let you know about that neighborhood. And then we will check out North Torrance East. So I am here in the North Torrance West neighborhood, which is located between Hawthorne, Crenshaw, 190th, and Redondo Beach Boulevard. And the majority of this neighborhood is located west of the 405, but there is a small triangular section that is east of the 405. And North Torrance is a great neighborhood, as I mentioned, but there are a few pitfalls. If you can see right behind me, Southern California Edison has a transformer station. So there are a lot of electrical wires and whatnot in that area. And it really depends on where you are in the neighborhood. You also have the Torrance refinery that is close by. So if that's not your thing, you'd want to avoid this neighborhood. And the 405, depending on what part of the neighborhood you're in, you could get noise or debris from the 405. So those are a few things to keep in mind. And this neighborhood is primarily made up of single family homes. And there are older single family homes, but as these homes come to the market, you're seeing a lot of people who are purchasing them, renovating them and updating. You're also seeing a lot of homes that are being flipped. And there's a property up here that I'm going to show you. This home was sold last June for $780,000, and they remodeled it and relisted it at $975,000, and it is in escrow right now. So that kind of gives you an idea of what a fixer-upper is going to cost, and then also what a remodeled home is going to cost. And this is the home right behind me. And I will also link the tour of the fully remodeled home above, so you can check that out, and that will give you an idea as well. So that is the North Torrance West neighborhood. Next, we are going to check out the North Torrance East neighborhood, but first I'm going to do a little drive through here so you can check that out. So I will see you soon. So I am in the North Torrance East neighborhood, and the North Torrance East neighborhood is located between Crenshaw, Western, 190th, and Redondo Beach Boulevard. And the majority of this area is located east of the 405, but there is a small section that is located west of the 405. And this neighborhood, it's very similar to the North Torrance West neighborhood. You have primarily single family homes in the neighborhood, and it is mostly mid-century homes. But you do, just like the North Torrance West neighborhood, you're seeing a lot of flips in the area and people renovating these homes because there's a lot of value in North Torrance, because to find a single family home in a good school district 5 miles to the beach for under $1 million, you can't find that in a lot of places in Los Angeles. And as an example, there's a home up here. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,550 square feet. And this home recently was on the market for $879,000, and it went into escrow in 4 days with multiple offers. So that shows you how popular this area is. And will sell in the next couple of weeks. So it's this home right over here, this little blue home behind me. And it is a home, it's a fixer-upper, but it's totally livable. It's something that you could do a little bit at a time. So that's a little bit about the North Torrance East neighborhood. I hope you found some value. And whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, send us an email, shoot us a text, or schedule a Zoom. We would love to hear from you, and we will see you next time.